Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn useful vocabulary words for everyday life. Wink. To close one eye briefly. She winked at him playfully during the conversation. Mutter. To speak quietly. She muttered about the long wait. Plead. To beg for something. He pleaded for a second chance. Litter. To scatter trash carelessly. Don't litter in the park. Spit. To forcefully expel saliva. Please don't spit on the sidewalk. Tear. To rip or damage by pulling apart. Be careful not to tear the paper. Pounce. To jump and seize quickly. The cat pounced on the toy. Cuddle. To hug affectionately. They cuddled on the couch. Plunder. To steal forcefully. Pirates plundered the ship. Reckless. Careless and without concern. His reckless driving was dangerous. Limp. To walk with difficulty. He limped after the injury. Drag. To pull along with effort. He had to drag the heavy box. Tremble. To shake involuntarily. He is trembling in the cold. Dull. uninteresting, boring. The lecture was dull and boring. Rude. Displaying bad manners. Don't interrupt, it's rude. Worried. Anxious or troubled. She looked worried about the test. Sympathy. Feeling compassion for others. She expressed sympathy for the loss. Hush. To make quiet. The teacher hushed the class. Sleepy. Feeling tired. After a long day, she felt sleepy. Punish. To impose a penalty or consequence for wrongdoing. The teacher decided to punish the student for cheating. Escape. To break free or get away. The prisoner attempted to escape from the jail. Flaunt. To display ostentatiously or show off. She liked to flaunt her new jewelry. Sneak. To move quietly and secretly to avoid being noticed. She sneaked into the room at night. Embrace. To hug or hold closely with warmth. They embraced each other after a long separation. Shiver. To tremble or shake slightly due to cold or fear. The cold wind made her shiver. Console. To provide comfort or solace. Friends often console each other in times of sorrow. Sulk. To be silent, morose, and resentful. After the argument, she would sulk for hours. Grumble. To complain or express dissatisfaction. The old man would grumble about the weather. Startle. To surprise or cause a sudden reaction. The loud noise did startle the sleeping cat.